Hey guys, so Keyondra and I are on our way to the airport. We just dropped mom off at home from eating lunch together. So we are just getting back to our normal everyday life. Once we head back to Atlanta, we have a lot of things that we have to do. We have a couple of meetings this week, and then we have to go and take care of some things for our car. But yeah, so we have a lot of things that we have to do. Especially being that it's a short week for us because today's Monday and we're not, on the ground there. I have some content that I have to add some things to my Temu content because they don't give all of the information up front. I wish they would, but they don't give all of the little things, the typography that they want on the screen and stuff like that right away. So I always have to go back once they review the edit. And I have to go and at least add that in. So I'll do that. But yeah, so we're gonna go through the airport and return our rental and then go through the airport and go home. I'm ready to go home. I'm gonna miss mom, but we'll be back next month. I was about to say next year. Oh, this month. Oh my gosh, this month. We'll be back later in a few weeks.
Good afternoon, folks. It's great to have you on board with us today. Once again, we need all small bags.
My bag. Today's Tuesday and I was so tired last night after our live. I didn't bother with unpacking anything. So I am doing that now, and this is the bag that I actually took to Dallas for toiletries and stuff, and so I just put perfumes and stuff like that in it. And then this is one of the things I got from Sephora. I'll show you guys this in a minute. And all the other things I got from Sephora. But while we were in Dallas, Keyondra and I, you guys know, we went to Target a couple of times. And I got these little cotton rounds. These are bamboo rounds, actually. And I used them like for makeup remover because I had a liquid makeup remover this time, the take the day off in the liquid form. And so this is that bag. So you just put the bag with the rounds in the washing machine, and you just wash it, and then you take them out, and I guess you are supposed to like let them air dry or whatever. That's what I'm gonna do. But these are great. I actually really like those. I liked having those. And this bag is not completely full, but I just didn't have enough space in my suitcase, my bigger suitcase, to actually have everything in there. And I didn't want it to be overweight either. So, and then when I was packing to come back home, I just threw everything in here. I really didn't do anything organized. I got this little sandwich bag, the silicone sandwich bag from Target before we left, and I put in, I can't remember the name of those wipes, but I put wipes in this for like, they're salicylic acid wipes, and it actually worked pretty well until I did not close it back after using it the last night we were there, but they were still kind of moist, so I was able to use them. And then my little lotions that I have, I'll be putting these back. This is going to be my travel deodorant. I bought this while I was out of town. I took the one that I use for home, but I do typically like to have home stuff and travel stuff. And I'm gonna actually go through all of this, and this is my loofah towel. I'm gonna go through all of this and take inventory of like what I need for the holidays this is holiday time, but for Christmas, because I am running out of this. This is my La Roche-Posay cleanser. This does come in travel size, obviously, and I love this. I love this at home and travel. And so this I got from Calpack years ago, and Keyondra, mom, and I each have one, I believe, and I really like this. So I'm just gonna go through it, see what all I need that, you know, like to re-up on, and then I will get more. I need to create a checklist for that before the next 2 weeks, because we'll be going back out in about a little bit more than 2 weeks. So, and then I took my little clamps, and I needed a bag for my like toiletries and for the stuff for the bathroom this time, because I have hot tools and those are bulky. And so, and then I also had, like I told you guys before we left, I had jeans. I took 2 combs. This needed this much space. No, I'm just kidding. But I took jeans with me that I did end up wearing while we were gone. I'm so happy about that, because I tend to take things that I don't always, you know, use. Makeup. So my makeup, all the makeup that I took, that's not all the makeup that I have, but that's all the makeup that I took. I have this zippy bag here from Cozy Earth. I did a collaboration with them, I think last year, for their set. And for a set that they have, and it's so soft. I love that set. And then I put my travel blow dryer in it. This actually worked really good. It's by Babyliss. I got it for free last year from Ulta for buying my my straightening iron, my flat iron. So this is the bag. I don't know if you can buy those separate. This is my toothbrush charger, and then my jewelry. All of my like jewelry that I take is in there. All of my, like, this is my headscarf. I need to throw this in the wash. And those are my hot tools. And an extra pair of socks that I'm actually going to keep in there, because just in case I forget. And this is, I actually didn't need to take this, so I may not take this. This is like for earphones and stuff like that. And I actually put this on the plane, which is no help for me on the plane. So yeah, so that is everything that fit into there. And then I keep my shower shoes in here, because those are just for travel. So that's that bag. I still have to unpack my black one. I'll do that in a minute, but I wanted to show you guys first all the stuff I got from Sephora. Okay, so these are all the things that I got from Sephora while I was in Dallas. So, you know, Keyondra, mom, and I, we all went to Sephora the other day, but I also did my own Sephora run before we did that one, because I really needed some stuff, and I actually left one thing, but whatever, it's okay. But with mom and Keyondra, I got we all three got this, and our mom really loves this. My goodness, I love this stuff. Y'all know Keyondra and I love this stuff. We got this over in the summer. It is such a good, I have to spray some, I just took a shower. It's so great. It's delightful mist, and I have to say it is very delightful. It's like a part of their almond kind of, you know, that vibe. It does have that, it says almond, and I think that's almond. I don't know, I could be wrong, but whatever. This is a really good spray. This is a very good spray, actually. It just gives your whole scent of a nice warm fragrance, and I think I said this when we first got this. This is like a very good replacement to vanilla. If you're not a vanilla person, I don't know why you wouldn't be, but if you're not, maybe an almond fragrance is good for you. But if you're looking to try something at L'Occitane, I do say that this is a very good introduction to their brand as a body mist. But thanks. But I would definitely say like their lotions, body butters, something like that would be amazing to try too. But this, if you're like a body spray, fragrance, mist kind of person, this is a very good one. It has a nice even mist on it. It's really good. It smells so good. Like I said, it's a nice warm fragrance, but it's not like, it doesn't smell cheap or youthful or anything like that. It's a very sophisticated fragrance, and I love that. I think that's what I love. And I'm not a huge almond person, but all of their almond products can see me at any time. And then with Mom and Keyondra, I got the Caudalie Venotherapist Hand and Nail Repairing Cream. I got this because I was running out of hand cream. I had my Bath and Body Works hand cream, and I was running out of it. And so I needed more. And funny enough, Sephora doesn't carry like small hand creams. Like they had the L'Occitane hand cream, but it was in a little gift pack, and I had all the stuff in the gift pack, and I also had that hand lotion. So I was like, no. So I left them all at home though. Like they're all in the corner. But I was glad that I could actually try this one. First Aid Beauty has one about this size too, and I was gonna get that one, but this one I had never tried before, and so I decided to try it. And so this is actually a really good hand cream. It's really soft, like it's smoothing and everything, and like really gets the job done. It has a nice kind of citrusy kind of fragrance, very light, so you can not worry about, you don't have to worry about it changing like the fragrance profile that you have for the day, and you can constantly put it on, and it's not like, it doesn't make your nails look, you know, I don't know what you would call that, but it keeps the shine. Yeah, it doesn't make your nails dull. Thank you. It doesn't make your nails dull. And it keeps a shine, and I love that when lotions do that, like when a hand lotion does that. I love that. And so it definitely gets the job done. So this is it, the Caudalie. I think this was like $16. I don't think it was on sale either, so not bad. I think the L'Occitane ones are like $13 or so, and they're smaller, so not really bad. And then this one, I think it's like around $42 or $48, but I think it was also on sale, so it was probably around $30 or so, 30 something. So yeah, I think those are worth it. On my own Sephora run, I picked up the Sol de Janeiro deodorant that I showed you guys a little bit earlier, and then I did show you guys this as well, but this came in this little pack, and so it came with the shower gel, the spray, and then the little lotion. This is not enough lotion for a week. I didn't really use this as much. I bought this whole set because I did want a small lotion, but this one's too small. The smallest that I can actually take is, there's this like one that actually is over there. I have a small lighter pink one. I don't know if you can see that one, but I have that one, and that's probably the smallest I can take on a longer trip. This is probably, because I would use it for the full body, this is probably good for, you know, a couple of days. But I love this fragrance. I was introduced to Sol de Janeiro just at the top of the pandemic through Sephora for a birthday gift, and I actually love this one. This one is number 40. So you can get these at Ulta, Sephora. I don't know if you can get these packs at Ulta or anywhere else, but I got this one from Sephora, but you can definitely get Sol de Janeiro on their website or Ulta, Sephora, you know, all the places. So this one is another favorite. I love the light pink one. The light pink one kind of smells like Baccarat Rouge. And then, of course, the orange one that is their, I think Cheirosa or something like that. But yeah, that's what I got. Okay, guys, so that's all that we have for you today. We thank you guys so much for watching us during Vlogmas. This is day, what are we on, 3? We're on day 3. So we hope that you guys continue to watch. Thank you guys so much again. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And share this video with anyone and everyone that you love. Bye, guys.